Use these steps to apply your scalp scrub so you get the most benefits out of scrub day. First, you're gonna wet your hair. Make sure it's actually really wet. Don't wring it out, don't towel dry it. And then you're going to take your scalp scrub and you're going to warm it up and massage it through your hands. Most scalp scrubs have some sort of salt or something in it that's going to make it feel scrubby. And so you want to warm that up so it goes onto the skin, because our goal here is to cleanse our scalp. And then you want to split your hair into sections. If you have thick hair, it takes lots of little sections. Make sure that you're getting your scrub onto the skin of your head. This is going to clear off and cleanse out any dirt, buildup, hard water, minerals, product, anything that could be clogging the follicle and restricting blood flow and circulation. Once you have your scalp scrub applied to your scalp, then you're going to add water and start scrubbing. Use the pads of your fingers or a scalp massager and start in circular motions all over your head. Keep adding water and scrubbing until you get a really nice frothy foam. And then you're going to do the exact same motion as you rinse out to make sure that you're grabbing any buildup, debris, anything on the way out as you're rinsing it down the drain. This is going to give you more blood flow, so it's going to help with hair loss. It's going to give you more shine, more volume, less frizz, more manageable hair, and cleaner, airier hair all around. It's amazing.